that you lay. Learning letters is so much fun, from A to Z for everyone. U is for unicorn under the sky, drawing big letters way up high. V is for vulture with a violet vest, very proud and looking his best. W is for whale who whistles a tune, swimming in circles by the moon. X is for xylo, a bug with sticks, playing his xylophone. Click, click, click. Y is for yak who yawns real wide, time for a nap, let's go inside. Z is for zebra who zooms to the end, singing Z is for zany, my alphabet friend. The alphabet train is pulling in, but tomorrow it rides again with letters, laughs, and songs so bright. Let's learn again tomorrow.